Hey there, language legends! Welcome back to Mrs. English, your high-octane home for mastering the most powerful language on the planet. Are you ready to level up? Today, we are throwing the boring textbooks away. We're crushing the myths, breaking the barriers, and diving deep into a topic that is going to change the way you speak forever. I'm so hyped you're here. No more fear, no more hesitation, just pure energy, real results, and a community that wins together. You do not want to miss a single second of this episode. Lock in, get focused, and let's jump right into the action.
Wow, that is the energy we need. I am feeling awake now. Hello everyone, I'm Tom and I am ready to learn. Mrs. English, you are buzzing today.
Always, Tom. Life is too short for boring English lessons. We are here to create superstars. And today, Tom, we are tackling something that scares a lot of people, but it shouldn't. We are talking about easy English conversation between two friends.
That sounds simple, but honestly, that is where I get stuck the most. I can order food in a restaurant or book a hotel, but just hanging out, talking to a buddy, I freeze up. I never know what to say to sound natural.
Exactly. That is the trap. Schools teach you the book is on the table, but they don't teach you, hey, what's good? Or want to hang out? Today, we are going to break down the anatomy of a friendship conversation. We're going to cover the greeting, the catch-up, making plans, and the goodbye. And we are going to keep it 100% real.
I love it. So where do we start? Do we start with, hello, how are you?
Tom, delete that from your brain right now. If you see your best friend and you say, hello, how are you? They are going to think you are a robot or a telemarketer. We need flavor. We need sauce.
Okay, give me the sauce. What should I say instead?
When you see a friend, you want to sound casual. Try these on for size. Hey, what's up? Or how's it going? Or even just, yo, what's new?
Yo, what's new? I like that. It sounds cool.
It is super cool. Let's practice. I'm going to walk into the room and you greet me like a real friend. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Yo, Mrs. English, what's up?
Nothing much, Tom. Just living the dream. How's it going with you?
It's going great. I'm just chilling.
Boom. Did you hear that, legends? Just chilling. That is a golden phrase. Tom, tell the listeners what chilling means in this context.
I think it means relaxing, right? Not doing anything stressful. Just hanging out.
Spot on. Chilling is the ultimate friendship verb. You can be chilling at home, chilling with friends, or just chilling on the couch. It is way better than saying, I am relaxing. It sounds youthful and easy.
Okay, so we have the greeting. What's up? How's it going? But here's the problem, Mrs. English. After I say I'm fine or I'm chilling, the conversation dies. Silence. Awkward silence. How do we keep the ball rolling?
The dreaded silence. We are going to crush that silence right now. The secret to an easy conversation is the ping pong method.
The ping pong method? Like table tennis?
Yes. Imagine the conversation is a ball. If I hit the ball to you and you just catch it and hold it, the game stops. You have to hit it back. So if I ask, how was your weekend? And you say, it was good. You just caught the ball. Game over.
Ah, I see. So I need to add details?
Details plus a question back. That is the return serve. So try again. Tom, how was your weekend?
It was awesome. I went to the cinema and saw that new action movie. It was so loud, but so fun. How about you? What did you do?
Yes, that is a winner. You gave me information, cinema, action movie, and then you hit the ball back to me with, how about you? Now I can answer. My weekend was crazy. I went hiking, but it started raining and I got totally soaked.
Oh no, that sounds terrible, but kind of funny.
See what happened there? We are flowing, we are jamming. That is the rhythm of friendship. You react to my news. You showed emotion. You said, oh no. That is empathy.
Empathy is important. You have to show you care. What are some other reaction words I can use when a friend tells me a story?
Great question. If the news is good, you say, no way, that's sick, awesome, or for real?
That sick means it's good, right? Not that it is ill.
Correct. In slang, if something is sick, it is amazing. That car is sick. That song is sick. Now, if the news is bad, like my rainy hike, you say, that sucks. Bummer, or I'm sorry to hear that.
Okay, that sucks is very common in movies.
Very common. Just be careful, it is casual. Don't say, that sucks to your boss, but to a friend? Absolutely.
Got it. So we have greeted each other. We are playing ping pong with our weekend stories. Now I want to invite my friend to do something.
I want to make plans. How do I do that without sounding formal? I usually say, would you like to accompany me to the restaurant?
Oh, Tom, you sound like a gentleman from the 1800s. Would you like to accompany me? No. We need speed and ease. We want to use the phrase wanna.
Wanna. That is short for want to, right?
You got it. Wanna grab a coffee? Wanna catch a movie? Wanna get a bite to eat? It implies low pressure. It's casual.
Grab a coffee. I hear that a lot. We aren't physically grabbing it with violence, we are just buying it.
Exactly. Let's grab lunch. It sounds spontaneous. Another great phrase is, are you free? Or what are you up to?
Can you give me an example of what are you up to?
Sure. Let's role play. You want to invite me to play video games. Ask me what I'm doing first.
Hey, Mrs. English, what are you up to this Friday?
Not much. Just planning to relax. Why? What's up?
I was thinking of gaming all night. Want to join?
I am so down. Let's do it.
I'm so down. That means yes?
Yes, I'm down means I am interested or I agree. It is the ultimate friend confirmation. Want to get pizza? I'm down. Want to study? I'm down.
I love that. It is so much faster than, yes, I would like to participate.
Speed is key, Tom. Native speakers are lazy. We want the fastest way to express the idea. Now, let's talk about a specific scenario that happens all the time between friends. Gossiping. Or, well, talking about other people.
Oh, the juicy stuff. How do we start that? Did you hear about?
Perfect. Did you hear about? Or guess what?
Guess what is a classic?
It forces the other person to ask what. It builds suspense. Guess what? What? Sarah got a new puppy.
And then I react, no way, that's sick.
You are learning fast, Tom. You are crushing it. Okay, let's pivot to something a bit deeper. Sometimes friends need to vent. Do you know what vent means?
Like an air vent?
Metaphorically, yes. To vent means to let out your frustration, to complain about life, work, or relationships to a friend who listens.
Like when I have a bad day at work. How do I start that conversation?
You usually start with a sigh. Just kidding. You can say, man, I've had the worst day, or I need to get something off my chest.
Get something off my chest. That is a great idiom. It means to say something that is bothering you.
Precisely. And as a friend, your job is to listen. You don't always need to fix it. You just need to validate them. Use phrases like, tell me about it, or I feel you.
I feel you is powerful. It connects us.
It says, I understand your pain. So let's try a mini event session. I'll be the complainer. Tom, today was a nightmare. My computer crashed right before I saved my project.
Oh man, that sucks. I feel you. Technology is so frustrating sometimes. Did you lose everything?
Most of it. I was so mad I wanted to scream.
I bet. That is a total bummer. But hey, you are a legend. You will fix it.
Thanks, Tom. See? That was perfect support. You validated my feelings. That sucks. You related to it. Technology is frustrating. And you encouraged me. That is a grade A friendship conversation.
It felt natural. I didn't worry about grammar, I just focused on the feeling.
That is the secret sauce, legends. Stop obsessing over grammar rules when you are chatting with friends. Connection is more important than perfection. If you say, I have went instead of I went, your friend doesn't care. They care about you.
That is really motivating. I always get scared I'll make a mistake.
Fear is the enemy. Kick fear out of the room. You are a language warrior. Making mistakes is how you learn. If you aren't making mistakes, you aren't trying hard enough.
Okay, I am ready to make mistakes. So we have covered a lot, but every conversation has to end. I am terrible at saying goodbye. I usually just say goodbye and walk away.
Oh, Tom, that is so dramatic. It sounds like you are leaving forever to go to Mars. Goodbye. We need to keep it open-ended. We want to imply that we will see them again soon.
So, see you later?
See you later is classic. Catch you later is even cooler. Or just later.
Just later?
Just later. It's super casual. Or if you have to leave because you are busy, you say, I gotta run, or I gotta head out.
I gotta run. Does that mean I actually have to run?
No running required. It just means I have to go. Hey, this was fun, but I gotta run.
And then the other person says,
They say, no worries, see ya, or take it easy.
take it easy. I like that one. It is a wish for them to have a calm time.
Exactly. So let's put it all together. We are going to do a mega role play. We are going to combine everything. Greeting, ping pong, making plans, and saying goodbye. Are you ready for the ultimate test, Tom?
I am nervous, but I am ready. Let's do this.
Okay, scene. We meet on the street. It's a sunny Saturday afternoon. Action.
Yo, Mrs. English, long time no see. What's good?
Tom, what's up? I'm just walking to the park to enjoy the sunshine. What have you been up to?
Not much, just finished work. I've been working on that new project all week, so I'm pretty tired.
Oh, I feel you. Work can be a grind. But hey, the weather is sick today, right?
Totally sick. It's perfect. Hey, since you are going to the park, want to grab an ice cream?
I am so down. Ice cream sounds amazing right now. My treat.
No way, you don't have to do that.
I insist. I got a promotion yesterday, so I'm celebrating.
For real? That is awesome news. Congrats.
Thanks, I'm super excited. So yeah, let's go get that ice cream.
Let's go.
Okay, imagine we ate the ice cream. Now I have to go. Okay, scene transition. We finished the ice cream.
Man, that was delicious. Thanks again. Listen, I gotta head out. I promised my mom I'd call her.
No worries. It was great catching up with you. Say hi to your mom for me.
I will. Catch you later, Mrs. English.
Later, Tom. Take it easy. And cut. Tom, that was phenomenal.
Really? I felt a bit shaky, but the words just came out.
It flowed perfectly. You used what's good, I feel you, wanna grab, for real, and catch you later. You sounded like a native speaker hanging out with a bestie.
That feels great to hear. It really helps to have these phrases ready in my pocket.
That is the strategy. Don't try to translate from your native language in your head. That takes too long. Learn these chunks or blocks of language. Memorize wanna grab as one block. Memorize what have you been up to as one block.
That makes sense. It's like Lego bricks. You just snap them together.
Yes, build your castle of English with Lego bricks of phrases. Now, I want to address our listeners directly for a second. Legends, I know conversation is scary. I know your heart beats fast when you have to speak. But look at Tom. He just used the tools and he sounded amazing. You can do this too.
Absolutely. And you know what helps me? Listening to podcasts like this and repeating the phrases out loud.
Yes, shadowing. Don't just listen to us passively while you wash the dishes. Open your mouth. Say, wanna grab coffee loudly. Scare your cat. Who cares? You are training your muscles.
My cat is already scared of my English practice, but it works.
Let's talk about one last thing before we wrap up. Body language and tone. If I say, that is awesome, with a flat voice and a sad face, does it work?
No, it sounds sarcastic, like you hate it.
Exactly. That is awesome, flat tone. It sounds rude. You have to bring the energy. Your eyes, your smile, your voice, they are all speaking English too.
So if I say, no way, I need to look surprised.
Yes, put some drama into it. English speakers, especially Americans, are very expressive. We use our hands, we change our pitch. Don't be a statue, be a movie star.
Be a movie star. I like that advice.
Tom, do you have any final questions about chatting with friends?
One last one. What if I don't understand what they said? It's embarrassing to say I don't understand to a friend.
Great point. Don't say I don't understand. It sounds like a classroom. Say this instead. Sorry, I missed that. Or say that again. Or what was that?
Sorry, I missed that. That is good. It sounds like it was just a noise problem, not a brain problem.
Exactly. It protects your ego. Or just, huh? If you are really close friends. But sorry, catch that again is polite and casual.
Perfect. I feel so much more prepared for my next social event.
That is what I like to hear. We have armed you with the greetings, the ping pong technique, the plans, the reactions, and the exits. You are fully loaded.
Now I just need to find some friends to practice with.
They are everywhere, Tom. The world is full of potential friends. Just start with a smile and a hey, how's it going? You never know where a simple hello can lead. It could lead to a new best friend, a business partner, or just a great memory.
That is inspiring.
English is not just about grammar. It's about connection. It's about building bridges between human beings. And you, listening right now, you are a bridge builder. You are doing the hard work of learning a new language to connect with the world. And that makes you a hero in my book.
Wow, I'm feeling the motivation.
Good, hold on to that feeling. Take that energy into your week. Challenge yourself. Try to have one English conversation this week using these phrases. Just one.
I accept the challenge.
I know you will crush it. We have covered so much ground today, from what's up to take it easy. I want you guys to re-listen to this episode. Pause it, repeat the phrases, make them yours.
And don't forget the slang. Chilling, sick, down.
Yes, sprinkle that seasoning on your sentences. But remember, use them in the right context. Don't tell your grandmother her cookies are sick, unless she is a very cool grandmother.
Noted.
All right, team, we are reaching the finish line of this episode. I am so proud of the work we did today. Tom, you were a fantastic student as always.
Thank you, Mrs. English. It's always a blast.
It's been a total vibe. To everyone listening, remember, you are not studying English, you are living English. Every word you speak is a victory. Every mistake is a lesson. Keep pushing, keep striving, and keep smiling.
Well said.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, Language Legends. You are doing an absolutely incredible job. Your dedication is what makes this community so special. Keep practicing, stay hungry for knowledge, and never forget, you have the power to master this language. We believe in you. Until next time, keep shining, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.